Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a large wild animal known for its strength and resilience, typically not human-friendly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as buffalo, buffalo, bar, far, low, buffalo. Buffaloes are known for their impressive size, powerful build, and their importance in agriculture and transportation, especially in rural communities. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about buffaloes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.